global semiconductor shortage has caused a shortfall in consumer goods, especially automobiles, and is contributing to higher prices around the world. And now, Putin's brutal and unprovoked war in Ukraine has further spotlighted the need to secure our critical supply chains so that our economy, our economic, and our national security are not dependent on countries that don't share our values. Critical component of how we'll do that, in my view, is by working with close partners who do share our values, like the Republic of Korea, to secure more of what we need from our allies and partners and bolster our supply chain resilience. So this is the moment, in my view, to invest in one another, to deepen our business ties, to bring our people even closer together. This is something President Yoon and I will be talking about on our visit later after this meeting and in the months ahead.
I'll give a very short example, and then I'll wrap it up within a minute, and then
Showed us when it's complete.
Yes, so it'll be as full as that.
in reality, this tool here is part of the